So in this video, I will talk about the PRP therapy and help you understand the process, and hopefully by the end of this video, help you to take the right decision for yourself. So what is PRP therapy? PRP or platelet-rich plasma is a treatment in which the patient's own blood sample is taken. It is centrifuged and then the platelet concentrate is injected into the scalp. Now, how is it prepared? So I have already told that the blood sample is taken from the patient's body and it is centrifuged to increase the platelet concentrate, and then platelet concentrate is injected into the scalp. This concentrate, it releases the growth factors and it stimulates the growth of the hair by targeting the hair roots. This treatment is an OPD procedure done under sterile conditions after numbing the scalp, and it is completely safe because we are not taking anything from outside, and the patient's own blood is taken and that is processed for this treatment. So there are no side effects and long-term reactions seen with this treatment. In majority of our patients, a single session of PRP also gives very good results, and the hair fall definitely improves. But we usually recommend a minimum 3 sessions at an interval of 1 month. So this therapy is basically effective in those cases where hair roots are present. In completely bald areas where there are no hair roots, PRP is not beneficial, and we have to look for some alternative method to cover that area. So if you are experiencing hair fall or your hair are thin, their quality is not so good, so PRP can be a very cost-effective and beneficial treatment for you. So PRP can also be combined with other treatment modalities to increase its effectiveness, and it has also been used along with hair transplant and post hair transplant also to improve the results of hair transplant. Nowadays, an advanced version of PRP therapy is also available, which is known as the growth factor concentrate therapy, in which the growth factors are directly injected into the scalp to increase the hair growth and improve the quality of hair. I hope I have been able to answer your queries, but still, if you have any further queries, you can write to us, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which will keep you updated with our latest videos.